Do you have a Cricut? Then I'm sure you have vinyl. I have so much vinyl, I ran out of room. So I decided to make a new container. I took the box my Cricut vinyl came in, I cut it up, I followed the outline of a roll, I measured everything out to make sure it would be even. And going around, it didn't have to be perfect because I did the bad side out for creating, so when I assemble, the good side will be out and the bad side will be in. I used my X-Acto knife because I did not want to mess up my true control knife. Don't you just love that carpet? I broke out my glue gun. The glue dries quicker than I anticipated, but it gave me the strong hold I was looking for. When it was all said and done, I was able to make sure that my roll fit. I got out some stickums, the 3M, and I hung it on the wall, filling it with vinyl. Have a beautiful day.